Hello friends, I am Advocate Abhishek Matkar and I welcome you all to the YouTube channel Law Pe Charcha. We are a team of young lawyers based in Mumbai and practicing at the Bombay High Court and the subordinate courts in the city. Friends, we often see that people who are not in the legal profession have a certain fear and confusion about the law, the legal procedures, and how it actually functions in real life. They say that as far as possible, one should avoid getting involved in court proceedings. Even the people who do get involved in court matters feel a bit lost when they go to the courts and find it very difficult to understand what is being argued and how the courts work. But what happens is, in our everyday lives, whenever we have to file any complaint about something, or we have to apply for a bank loan, or we have to register any particular document, there are certain procedures, there are certain rules and regulations which we need to know about. But the common man is not aware of these things, and because of that, he gets confused, and sometimes he is also cheated or misled by others. And this is where we come into the picture. At Law Pe Charcha, our aim is to educate you by simplifying legal terms, procedures, and helping you understand your rights and duties in different situations. Not only will this charcha be informative, but we will also keep it interesting by discussing some real life examples and important cases which made the news around the country. And if you are involved in some court proceedings, you will also find some useful information on our channel, as we will discuss some basic things like what is the jurisdiction of a particular court, how to check the cause list to see if your matter is listed or not, how to apply for the certified copy of an order, and many more things. And for law students and young lawyers like ourselves, we will try to bridge the gap between textbook knowledge and actual professional experience by sharing our own experiences about career opportunities in law, entrance exams, online courses, tips on post graduation, and much more. We will also simplify important legal concepts and discuss important landmark judgments which will help you in your exams and in your practice. But one final word of caution. The content of this channel is for information purposes only, and it should neither be construed as legal advice nor it should be construed as an advertisement of any sort. Whenever you require any legal assistance, you should always seek the help of your lawyer or solicitor. So spread the word amongst your friends that Law Pe Charcha is now live on YouTube, and be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. Thank you and keep watching Law Pe Charcha, simplifying the law.